Today we're at the Conowingo Dam. We're doing a collaborative research project using unmanned aerial systems.
We are installing avian diverters or line markers on the overhead static line on our power lines coming out of the dam.
We're using those markers to increase the visibility of the power line so birds will be able to see the line. What the drone does is it carries the markers out to the power line, and then the drone contacts the power line and installs the line marker and then pulls away and leaves the marker there.
The high population of birds here and the presence of the transmission lines made it a perfect study location to implement this type of research.
It's important that we maintain our partnerships with regulatory agencies in addition to taking proactive measures to help protect all bird species that are here.
It's really a win-win for everyone involved with this research.